In this video, I'll guide you through how to format the tooltip in Tableau. Tooltips are a great way to provide additional context to your data visualizations, making them more interactive and informative for your audience. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, this tutorial will help you enhance your Tableau dashboards with well-formatted tooltips. First, you'll want to navigate to tableau.com. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to do so. Once you're logged in, you can access your existing projects, datasets, and dashboards. This is your starting point for any adjustments or edits you might want to make, including formatting tooltips. Next, look for your recent projects under the Recent section. This is where you'll find the dashboards or visualizations you've been working on or have recently accessed. Click on the project you want to edit. This will open up the project in Tableau, allowing you to make the necessary adjustments. It's always a good idea to ensure you're working on the correct project to avoid any confusion later on. Now, with your project open, direct your attention to the Marks section. This is typically where you manage how your data is visually represented, including colors, shapes, and importantly for us, tooltips. In this section, you'll find an option labeled Tooltip. Go ahead and click on it. This action will open up the tooltip editor where you'll be able to customize the information displayed when hovering over a data point in your visualization. Inside the tooltip editor, you have a variety of options to format your tooltip text. You can adjust the font style, size, and color to match the overall design of your dashboard. You can also decide which data fields to include, providing only the most relevant information for the viewer. Consider adding context with text explanations or even simple instructions if your data requires it. The key here is to ensure that the tooltip adds value and clarity without overwhelming the viewer with too much information. As you format your tooltip, keep in mind the importance of consistency, ensuring that your tooltips across different dashboards or within a single project have a uniform look and feel can enhance the professionalism of your presentation. It can also help users navigate through your data with ease as they know what to expect when interacting with your visualizations. Once you're satisfied with the formatting, take a moment to preview how the tooltip appears. You can do this by hovering over different data points in your visualization. This step is crucial as it allows you to see the tooltip in action and make any final adjustments. If something doesn't look quite right, feel free to go back and tweak your settings until you achieve the desired effect. And there you have it. You've successfully formatted a tooltip in Tableau. By following these steps, you've enhanced your data visualizations, making them more engaging and informative for your audience. Remember, well-designed tooltips can significantly improve the user experience, providing insights that might not be immediately visible in the primary visualization. I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to explore more of Tableau's features to continue building your data visualization skills. Thanks for watching and happy charting.